In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blueprint in Wrike. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned user, being able to streamline your projects with blueprints can boost your productivity and keep you organized. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to log into your Wrike account by heading over to wrike.com. Use your email and password to access your workspace. Once you're in, you'll be welcomed into the familiar interface that lays out all your tasks and projects. From here, the next step is to locate the Blueprints section. You'll find the option for blueprints in the left navigation panel. It's typically amongst other workspace tools that help streamline your project management, so keep an eye out for it. With the Blueprints interface open, it's time to start creating. Look towards the top right corner of your Blueprints section where you'll find a plus button. Clicking this will prompt you to start creating a new blueprint. This feature is crucial because it allows you to initiate a customizable framework for your recurring workflows and projects, saving both time and effort in planning future endeavors. The next step is to name your blueprint. Naming it can significantly influence how you and your team interact with it in the future, so choose a name that aptly describes the project's purpose or the system it's meant to organize. A good name serves as a quick reference point, making it easier to locate and share within your team. Once you've named your new blueprint, it's time to add content. Here's where you define the tasks, set dependencies, and add any pertinent information that's needed for your projects. Tailor the blueprint according to the general structure of work you're aiming to replicate. You can break down projects into smaller tasks, assign due dates, and include critical details that ensure nothing falls through the cracks. After fleshing out your new blueprint with the necessary details and structure, the final step is to save your work. Simply hit Save as Blueprint to ensure your custom structure is preserved and ready to be deployed whenever the need arises. By doing this, you ensure your hard work and meticulous planning remain intact and easily accessible for future use. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've not only created a blueprint in Wrike, but you've also equipped yourself with a tool to simplify and optimize your project management process. Anytime you need to initiate a similar project, you can just pull up this blueprint, make any minor adjustments needed, and hit the ground running. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy planning!